Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Can't believe it's already end of summer, early fall. I am exploring some new products, new makeup styles for the next season. So for today's look, as you can see, I'm wearing some warm tone soft glam makeup look. I think this look is perfect for pre-fall, and it's warmer, it's a little bit deeper, and it's pretty cozy. For this look, I'll be wearing all products from ColourPop. ColourPop is a brand that I've been following on social media for a while. I haven't tried them before, and this is the first look that I created using all ColourPop products. So here are some of the products that I'll be featuring in today's video in these complexion palettes, and also this eyeshadow palette. And as you can see, the package is pretty consistent with my look today. So I just can't wait to show you everything from my ColourPop order and how I use them for this look. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with clean and moisturize the skin. Now let's prime the lips. I'll go into with this lippy stick primer to prepare the skin for makeup. It's so comfortable to use and also makes the lip color last longer. For this look, I'll do my brows first. I just can't wait to try the clear brow wax and spoolie. Just get a little bit of the brow wax and also apply onto the brows to brush it up for the fluffy look. This is so trending. I've been seeing this everywhere. Look at this result. Now let's go into the foundation. I have two shades of the Hyaluronic Hydrating foundation. I'm gonna try both shades on my skin first to see which one works better. The lighter shade is Light 70 Warm. The deeper shade is Medium 85 Neutral. As you can see, the second one, the deeper neutral shade, this is like my skin. Let me just go into with the shade for the whole face and see how it goes. This gives me a skin-like medium buildable coverage. This foundation is amazing. I really love it. The foundation fits well. It looks very natural. This is the best $16 that I have ever spent. Now let's go into with the concealer. This is the Pretty Fresh Creamy Concealer. The shade is Medium 85 Neutral, which is the same with my foundation shade. After foundation, I feel like my skin doesn't have much imperfection, only need a little bit of the concealer to lighten the under eye area and some depressed area like around the nose, around my smile lines, and that's it. The formula is really creamy and buildable. I love it. Now I'm gonna set my foundation with the loose powder. This one is No Filter Loose Setting Powder in translucent shade. Translucent shade is something that's easy to work with. It's great for all skin tones. Okay, this product is super lightweight. I don't feel like it's cakey or anything. This is the right powder for the whole look. Up next, I have this Clay Cool eyeshadow palette. Look at these beautiful shades. Some are shimmering, some are matte. All the colors are so beautiful. With these shades, I can easily transition from summer to fall. For the base, I just swipe some high fire powder onto the whole lids. And then go into with the shade Figuring, which is a deep peachy shade, onto the crease. And oh, this is so rich. Look at this beautiful color. I'm gonna just use a slight amount of product onto the crease. A little product goes a long way. I feel like I only need a little bit. It's very blendable. It works so well. This is creamy. It doesn't fall out. One tip here is that you can always use your translucent loose powder to blend these pigmented color to soften the edges. And for the eyeliner, I'm gonna go into with the deepest color in this bronze color. This is so beautiful. It's warm tone. It's very fall inspired. This is so beautiful. This brush seems to be a little bit too large, so I'm gonna fix the edges using my finger. This is the easiest way. Now I'm gonna move on to the shimmering color. I'm gonna try all these colors on my skin first and start with the Motive and then Earth Bay, Mud Pot, Biscuit, and see all these four colors, which one will be the best to highlight the middle part of my eyelid. Now I decided to mix the Motive and Earth Bay, these two lighter shades, for the highlight of the eyelid. The color is so beautiful. It's very metallic. It's very creamy and it works well for the whole look. For my inner corners, I will be going to with the lightest shimmering shade, the Motive, and it's just to highlight a little bit of the inner corner to brighten the eyes. Here is another trick for the bottom lash line. I'll always use the leftover powder on the brush. It seems to be too light, so I'm gonna add a little bit shade of the figurine, this peachy brown shade to finish the outer corner. Now it looks just right. I'm gonna add a little bit more brow color with the Brow Precision Pencil in Cool Cocoa shade. This cool tone brown matches the eyeshadow like perfectly. I already have some wax on the brows, so I can easily stick the brows like this, like up for a fluffy look. Coming back to the eye makeup, I have this black BFF liquid liner to line my eyes. Let's see if I can do the beautiful, precise liner with it. Okay, it works pretty well. This ultra fine brush tip is very easy to use. It's perfect for detailed eye work like this. The eye shape is elongated with this small wing. And then apply a little bit black mascara. This one is Act Natural Mascara, just a very thin layer because I'll be using my Falsies. This mascara is pretty friendly to my short lashes. Now let's go into with the Falsies. The style is shorty. It's a little bit cat eye, but it's more like volumizing. It's not like too long because my natural lashes are so short. I just don't want anything that's too dramatic. And these worked pretty well with the shape of my eyes. Just look at these. Very voluminous. They define the eyes, add depth to the eyes. This is perfect. Now move on to the complexion again, and this is Mirama Beach shade of Pressed Powder Bronzer, and it's so light and it's so matte. This is perfect for the whole look. It's not like overpowering my eyeshadow or anything. I just add a little bit of this soft golden tan to my skin and defined the shape of my nose, and that's it. Now for the blush, I'll be going to with the Pressed Powder Blush. The shade is Kiss and Tell. Can't get enough of the heart-shaped package, and the shade is like a mid-tone warm nude, very subtle. I just place it across my cheek. Look at this. The next product is this So Shimmering Body Powder. I'll just use it for my face. The shade is Fired Up. Just look at the glow, and the shimmer is ultra fine. It's very dimensional and soft. These products are all from the Clay Cool collection. It's a whole set. It comes with 4 different lip colors. These are 4 earthy shades from the Bloated Lips. The finish is more like matte, but with a little bit blurry effect. I love everything from here. I think the second from the left works the best. This shade is called Paint Me. This lipstick is so special. It's like a combination of lip balm and a lip stain. It's pretty moisturizing, but it's also buildable with medium coverage. Just look at this beautiful color. The color is very natural and understated. It fits the whole look. So this is my makeup. It's got neutral complexion and lips and a warm tone eyeshadow. I hope you enjoy. So this is my look for today, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I have all the ColourPop products in the video linked in the description down below. So if you're interested in trying anything, you can go from there. If you check out their website, you will find so many different colors, so many products, and all the prices are like very reasonable, very accessible. I think this is a perfect brand for everyone, and you can definitely find your favorite shades. All the products are like high quality and very easy to use. I love everything from my order, and I'll definitely try more different products from ColourPop in the future. So just let me know how you like these products and how you like this look. We will do it differently. We'll try like a different shades. If you see anything you're interested in trying, you want me to try first, and you can leave a comment in the comment section down below. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!